All right, we got some people out here protested against animal cruelty, apparently being affiliated with this store. Anyway, this channel all about put a spotlight on the homeless crisis. Go subscribe to our channel, Mr. Community. It's all about helping the homeless family as much as we possibly can. For over 10 years, I've been paying the homeless to turn in cans, giving them a legal way to make some money. Go watch our videos on Mr. Community. Subscribe to that channel. If you want to contribute to helping out the homeless family, you can donate to our Cash Out, $ Mr. Helping the Homeless. Cash Out, $ Mr. Helping the Homeless. This channel, we grieving together. I came up with this because I've been dealing with the loss of a lot of friends and family members back to back, and I realized I'm not the only one dealing with that. So I came up with this platform so we can come together, grieve together, and heal together. Get us enough subscribers where we can eventually go live and really form a strong connection together. All right, let's check out the protesters before we shut down. This is what we do. We bring y'all kind of community news as we heal together. Whatever's going on, we bring it to you live and direct. What's up, my man? How you been doing, bro?
All right, how you?
All right, good seeing you, man.
We'll show up when you least expect us. We might give you a break just to make you think that we're gone, but we will never be gone until you make good on your word program.
Abusing animals for profit.
By the end of 2025, and we are here because we got
With mine.
Oh, man.
I ain't giving up.
Say.
I took them to civil court. I ain't letting it, I ain't getting they
Wow.
I've been down there.
Keep
Tell people I gotta go to cinema.
Keep fighting. God bless you. Don't give up. That ain't right.
You've got to do better, Kroger. We're asking you politely, peacefully, respectfully, and non-violently, of course, to stop the torture and stop the pain. The torture and stop the pain. The torture and stop the pain. Stop the torture and stop the pain.
If you believe in something, you got to take a stand. All right, everyone. That's what we bring you on this channel as we heal together. And like I said, go to our other channel, Mr. Community, devoted to putting a spotlight on the homeless crisis. For over 10 years, I've been paying the homeless to turn in cans, paying friends, family members, children in the community to do the same, just our way of making something out of nothing. This channel is all about people coming together, healing together, and grieving together. Get us enough subscribers so eventually we go live and really form a strong connection together. And if you want to contribute to us helping the homeless, donate by way of Cash Out $, Mr. Helping the Homeless.